So after a long day of going around, riding our trike, it's time to chill and have some coffee. So we're here at Jose Karlo's, just near the Santa Mitri Church. We're gonna try out their coffee and their muffins and cookies. So I ordered the Jose Karlo's Best, which is basically their most premium blended drink, while I ordered also Jose Karlo, which has the same name as me. So I'm gonna let Marmar try it. So let's see how this coffee shop fares. But I'm pretty sure this is really good. I got a good feeling about it. So come on, check this out, guys. Now I have here my drink. This is the Jose Karlo's Best. Wow. And their apple walnut muffin. Wow. It's great. It's a great afternoon snack. It's perfect time to cap a fun day going around Tacloban and nearby Malo. So I went to San Juanico Bridge, went to the Leyte landing, and I also ate at Tacloban. Now I'm ending up here at Jose Karlo's, and it's pretty awesome, guys. So if you're in Tacloban, you better check this out if you love coffee and muffins, cookies. Just really are good. And let me know what you think about it. So thank you for watching. And if you're visiting a new place, eat like a local. Continue exploring, eating, and enjoying, guys. Thank you for watching Kalami, Cebu.